from CBN.
Surprise! How did you get one?
In every life, there are tests.
Hi, Debbie. What's up?
I've got a really sick boy here in the unit. He's wished for one of those Hollow 9 things.
Challenges of character and faith.
What's the matter, Chris?
I don't really feel the way I thought I would.
Superbook!
Join the Superbook DVD Club and get Superbook's newest episode, The Test, the story of Abraham and Isaac, plus 2 copies to share with others, all for your gift of $25.
Go get Isaac, your only son, and I will show you a mountain where you must sacrifice him to me.
With your continued support, you'll receive 3 copies of each new episode as they become available.
Come on! We've got to help Isaac!
Superbook DVD Club. It's an entertaining way to build a strong spiritual foundation in the children you love, in a way they'll love to watch the whole year through. Superbook, The Test, the story of Abraham and Isaac. Available now.